In this video, I want to explain a couple different reasons why you can't pin posts on Instagram. And the first reason, if you're not able to pin posts on Instagram, is that your Instagram application probably not the latest version. So you need to open up your App Store, find here Instagram and check if your Instagram is up to date, and if there is update button beside the name of application, just tap on that button and update your application to the latest version, and probably pin feature will appear. And when the update is done, open up your application and check if pin function is available. In my case, it's not available now, and there is nothing to worry about because the pin feature is quite new Instagram function, and Instagram slowly opens that function to the accounts all over the world. So if you don't get pin option here, just wait for some time and this feature will be soon appear at your account too. I hope this video helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.